Do you know? Okay, number one. Wasting your money. Correct? Wasting your money. Because you must spend before.
You must spend.
You must spend.
You
Now,
smoke or not? You smoke. You are smoker.
recreational smoker.
Recreational smoker.
Recreational smoker.
As a man.
Yes. Sometimes when I join the group, they smoke, so I join.
I never buy my own cigarette.
Yes, that's correct, man.
I never buy.
Never buy.
I only take.
Yes. From Dato' Ali.
Ah.
Yes. Number one, wasting your money. You know, before this you must spend $4 for 20 the big box for cigarette. Now 20.
20.
20.
Yeah, you can buy smuggle one, very cheap.
Oh, how much?
Yeah. 3 ringgit, 4 ringgit.
Ringgit. KJ. Are you supplying? This minister you can trust.
Ah.
Is the supplier? No. And number two.
Wait. The price of a box of cigarette now is the price
The price
of a box
of a box cigarette now for 20
is
is $21.
20 ringgit.
Yes, now before this $3 or $4.
Let us assume 20 ringgit per box.
Yes.
Let us
Let us
assume
assume $20 per box.
20 ringgit.
20 ringgit per box.
If you smoke one box per day,
If you smoke one box per day,
you will spend
you will spend
20 ringgit
20 ringgit
a day.
a day.
In 1 week,
Per week, you times 7.
which is kira kan? 100
140 ringgit.
in 1 month.
In 1 month,
Time 30 days.
time
$560.
$560. You see?
I mean 600.
600 ringgit.
In 1 year,
In 1 year,
$7,200.
7,200 ringgit.
Just
in 10 years.
Within 10 years or 20 years, you calculate.
No, in 10 years.
In
Kira lah.
10 years,
$72.
72,000 ringgit. So,
You can buy
you can buy
a Toyota Vios.
on Toyota Vios cash.
Cash. Yeah.
Yes.
If you don't smoke.
If you don't smoke. If you
don't smoke, also you cannot buy.
but that money you can spend for your family,
No, I know.
buy food for your
think it's